Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Mac to factory settings. I'd strongly recommend making a backup of all your data before erasing your Mac. Let's begin. Now this tutorial will specifically work on 2018 or later Intel Macs that have a T2 security chip and all Apple Silicon Macs. You'll also need to be on at least macOS Monterey for this tutorial to work. If you're using macOS Monterey, you'll need to open System Preferences first. Then click on the app name in the menu bar and click on Erase All Content and Settings. This should open up the Erase Assistant. You will need to enter your password in order to proceed. On macOS Ventura, you'll need to open up the System Settings app instead, then click on General in the left section. Click on Transfer and Reset, and then click on Erase All Content and Settings. On the Erase Assistant, it will give you a warning that all settings, media, and data will be erased. This also includes Touch ID and Bluetooth settings. If you have Activation Lock enabled, you'll need to sign out of your iCloud account before you can proceed. The same applies to Macs that have an MDM turned on. Afterwards, you'll get a final warning that you're about to erase all content and settings from your Mac. Be advised that all data will be securely erased and this process cannot be undone, so please make sure you've made a backup prior to clicking the red button that says Erase All Content and Settings. Once you click that red button, the device will immediately restart and the factory reset will begin. This will take up to a total of 5 minutes, and then you'll need to activate your Mac. To do that, just click on the Wi-Fi icon on the top right of the screen and select your Wi-Fi network. Once your Mac is activated, you can click on the restart button. Your Mac should then reboot and take you to the Setup Assistant, where the Mac is now completely ready to be set up by a new user. So this is a tutorial on how to reset your Mac to factory settings. Thank you all for watching.